Hey guys! So today we launched, or I should say we relaunched our Vacay self-tanning drops. These babies here sold out in about 2 weeks last year when they were out for a limited time. They are back, pretty sure they're gonna sell out again, and I'll tell you why. So these babies here give you a buildable color with no Oompa Loompa orange. They are streak free. It's a micellar style formula, so it absorbs quickly, so no transfer onto your clothes. And there's no self-tanner smell. I kid you not, my friends. It is like a citrusy scent. It smells like you're on vacation, basically. So these guys here, I'm gonna tell you how to use them, but before you apply, you wanna make sure that your skin is exfoliated. So for your face, I wouldn't use a harsh exfoliant. It could damage your skin and cause like micro tears. I would recommend our Reveal peel pads here. These are a gentle exfoliant. They have azelaic acid and it literally just like melts the dead skin cells away. And for your body, I would recommend our Polish body scrub. This here is legit. So get your body nice and exfoliated so it helps the Vacay drops penetrate and with longevity. So I've already washed my face. You can add these drops to either a serum or your moisturizer. So I've already put the serum on my face, so I'm gonna add it to my moisturizer for the day. And because it's winter time, I do use my Hydra night cream under my day cream for extra hydration. So I'm gonna show you. It comes with this little dropper, so you can see how that is. So that's my night cream, basically. You can use this day or night, but I'm putting my day cream on under my night cream on under my day cream. And you're just gonna add a couple drops, like 2 to 3 drops into your moisturizer. Just like that. And you are going to rub it in. And there you go. Just rub it in. I'm gonna take it down to my neck. You're not gonna get those streaks and it's color correcting. I don't know any other way to say it. So you aren't gonna get like that look of where it stops. You can tell where you put your self-tanner basically, unless you go crazy. So I like to bring it down a little bit so it blends. And then make sure you wash your hands. I mean, it is a self-tanner. Wash your hands when you're finished. And that is that. And I would probably add a few more drops for my body, like each body part. So I'd probably do 4 or 5 drops for the trunk of my body, maybe 3 drops for my arms, and then 4 drops each for my legs. But that's that. So I'm gonna let it dry for just a little bit. Like I said, it's a micellar style formula, so it absorbs quickly and dries very quickly. I'm gonna put my daylight on and get ready for the day. And in a few hours, I should start seeing some results. And tomorrow, if I wanna build on that, I absolutely can. So I would advise you to start slow. Again, you're not gonna get that crazy orange color, but start with a few drops and see how it works with your skin, and then go from there. Reach out with any questions and get it while you can, because I know these are gonna sell out fast.